Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I am back. I'm back with another denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Trixie of Fort Collins, Colorado. I called, I wrote, I faxed, I emailed, and I talked with them in person until I was blue in the face. They wouldn't budge. My roof was damaged because of a hailstorm, and in the process I became physically ill from the stress of dealing with the insurance company. I have had this happen. My clients get physically ill because the insurance company treats them like shit. Pardon my French, sorry, not sorry, but it's true, right? Insurance companies are not treating their clients fairly. In the end, I switched my coverage to another carrier. My old insurance agent called me to see if I would be interested in returning to the insurance company if they reduced my premiums, and I told her that hell would have to freeze over first, right? Look, this is the deal, it is stressful, it is confusing, it is difficult. This claims process, when it gets to the point where you need a public adjuster, it is tough. What I would like to suggest and have you consider the possibility is, if you hired a public adjuster at the very beginning of your insurance claim, you could go on with your life and not deal with this much stress, because we take that on for you. Okay, so if you have a property insurance claim and you need help with it, if the insurance company is making you physically ill because they are treating you so unfairly, or they're not budging because they're unwilling to pay for what should be paid for, we use the policy, which is the contract that you have with your insurance company, to get them to pay claims fairly. I can't tell you how many times this has happened. A $29,000 claim, we've gotten over $300,000, right? Because we know how to interpret the policy language. We know how to get them to pay based on what the policy says they should pay for. We prove the damage. We use the policy in your favor as the policyholder, okay? So again, commercial property, residential, industrial, warehouse, medical, multifamily, HOAs or condo owners associations. Contact us today if you need help with those property insurance claims. The sooner you contact us, the more possibility of us being able to help you, because sometimes you have limitations and deadlines that you must hit based on the policy or based on state law. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.